in this video we are going to learn how to contact to DeepSeek AI customer support. First you have to open your browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in DeepSeek. Now you'll be directed to this page and here you have to click on this Start Now option. Now make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, on the bottom left corner of your screen, you can see this My Profile option. Click on it. Here you can see 4 different options. To contact to the customer service, click on this Contact Us. And you can see this pop-up message like this. Click on this Contact Support and there you can raise any issues that you are facing using this DeepSeek account. So this is how you can contact to DeepSeek AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries. Thank you.